Falta algo.
The big red chicken is missing something.
Look! I'm getting wet.
Do you see what the big red chicken is missing?
My umbrella! Oh! The top of my umbrella is missing, right! Where is the top of my umbrella? Thanks for getting me the top of my umbrella. Now I won't get wet. Bok bok!
See you later, big red chicken. Come on, vámonos.
Let's go find my magic wand.
Look, we made it to Crocodile Lake. Yeah, but how are we gonna get across Crocodile Lake? Do you see something we can use to cross Crocodile Lake? Right, the rowboat! And there's our friend Benny the Bull.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Boots. Hey, who's the guy in the puzzle?
Young Bull, I am el encantador. Por favor, may we ride in your rowboat across Crocodile Lake?
Sure, but my rowboat won't move.
Falta algo. Something is missing.
My rowboat is missing something?
What's missing from Benny's boat?
My oars.